Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is generating and using AI art. AI art is art that's generated by an artificial intelligence based on a prompt provided by you. A prompt might be something like this one suggested by Dall-E, an impressionist oil painting of sunflowers in a purple vase. I often don't have access to the exact clip art that I want. AI systems can generate something very specific that I ask for. There are several systems available, but the two that I use are Dall-E and NightCafe, and I'll include links in the description. To do this, you first need to create an account. With Dall-E, you'll have to wait until your account is approved. With NightCafe, you should get your account approved immediately. With both systems, generating art costs credits, and both systems will give you free credits regularly. I'm logged into Dall-E here, and I'm going to type a prompt in the box and press Generate. I want repeating leaves and flowers in the style of William Morris. For 1 credit, I get these 4 images. They're okay. They certainly are close to William Morris art in the style and color. In NightCafe, I click the Create button. I'm going to choose the Stable Diffusion Creation method, and I'll type the prompt and scroll down. The radio button for 4 images for a credit is chosen, so I'll click Create. I like those 4 images much better. They really evoke William Morris for me. In both systems, I can download my image. In NightCafe, there is a menu, the 3 dots, with each creation. Click on that, and I get a Download Image option. In Dall-E, each individual image has a download button superimposed over it when you view the individual image. AI art can be a great option if you're not an artist and you can't find the clip art that you need. I used art generated by Dall-E when I wanted to make these 2 Halloween books in the style of 2 of my favorite author illustrators. I hope you find it useful too. Happy crafting!